Hello and welcome back again, my friend, to Bitcoin price prediction or Bitcoin forecast or BTC price prediction. This is Thomas with you again. We came back in another video. So, as every time, if you are a long-term trader, stick with us only here in the daily. If you are a swing trader, go to the 4 hours. And if you are a scalper and day trader, go to 30 minutes. And you're going to find timeline down description of that video. So, go choose the new trading style and the timeline. It will sort your trading style. So, let's start our lesson of today. By the way, before we even start, you watching me now, are you not a subscriber? Why, my friend, make sure to subscribe to our channel and turn bell notification on to receive all our latest updates and videos. It's not something hard, just a red button down, click at it, next to it a bell, turn it to all, so like this when we put in something new, you're going to be notified. Or you can even join us in Telegram and Discord where we're giving daily signals there. Also, we kill it, even you can join us there and benefiting from all those things free. The link of our Discord and Telegram is it down in the description of that video. You done it? Welcome to the family. So guys, as you see, today the market is staying flat here as also we accepted, and Friday same thing here, nothing move. As you see here, market is being very flat. That way also we haven't opened any trade today because also we know it, Saturday, Sunday market always staying stuck there, doesn't move. And look at it, same thing here. You see that two candles here, that Saturday and Sunday, same thing is going to happen here. Then till Monday we're going to see a big move. Or also we're still waiting what's going to happen. Till now the market is showing to us also we are here at that level here. So there is nothing new here. And also we said here in the daily, we got here that inside bar like that green candle here. So till now that 3 candles here, no one of them couldn't break down here or break up here. So till now also we're still waiting what the market is going to tell us in the coming days and coming hours. So I think picture is too clear here. Another thing I showed it to you before, but it's okay to repeat it again. I told you about those moving averages like that. I told you for us to enter another long, it needs the market to break here that 50 moving average in the top, and also we're buying from here 25% from our capital. Now if the market fall down and touch here the 100 moving average, and is going to do it by 25% from what it left in your capital, even that one is possible. Maybe tomorrow or Monday we're going to see it going up to here, but not yet, because as majority of you, Monday candle is always doing against what the market is going to do all the week. I've been teaching you that. So for long term now, what shall we do? We're waiting either the break here of that 50 moving average, because if we're breaking that 50 moving average, it's going to happen like that. We're going to break even that trend line here or the top of that wage here. So till now there is nothing, everything till now it's looking bearish, because that very normal, that 2 months historical, August and September always they being red. So but get ready. But the only thing I can tell you now, let's go into see the on-chain data we got for you today. So let's go in there. The on-chain data we got for you today, as every week we make for you on-chain data to know exactly where the Bitcoin is going for long term. The first one we got is that one here, that funding rate. Also we've been following it a lot of time. Till now we haven't break above those levels here, as you see it. Till now there is no time the volume spike here telling us the market is going to go more higher. Yes, also we still green here. That's when people they still buying and they still accumulating till now, but there is no big volume for the Bitcoin to go up. So what's my advice? When the volume it's not spiking like that, at the right time for you to start accumulating. And as you see it here, look with me here, let's start it from that level here. You see it in that 2 times here when it used to be Bitcoin accumulating, when it used to be down here. So that used to be the right time when the spike happening like that, that when it's going to be big volume. Same thing here, look at it, accumulator level here, the spike happened, the Bitcoin go up till here. Same thing here. Now you're still in an accumulation level, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into see the other indicator what it's telling us. That one here I've been showing to you thousands of times. By the way, those indicators they are only for long term. That one here, his name stock flow. That one here, when the color become like that dark blue, you need to buy. I show it to you thousands of times, and as you see it, the halving cycle cycle is very close. It's left for it only 4 months, guys, so be ready. Always before that it's happened at deep like that, but after that we're going to see a major move to the upside. That way you don't see lower volume when Bitcoin is falling down those days, because no one want to sell those days. Everyone he just buying. Even you need to do the same thing, just buy those days. Everything is too clear. Now let's see the chart one, what it's telling us. The chart one is that one here. That one is named Rainbow or whatever. That one here, what it's telling us, look at that. When the Bitcoin is in that blue level here, you need to start buying. As you see it, historical. And when it started jumping, when halving cycle coming, as you see it, every time when that halving cycle it came, the Bitcoin it jumped. Now it's left only 4 months. Everyone knows the Bitcoin is going to jump. When we touching the orange or the red, you need to start selling. So that's why me I told you, just accumulating those days. Me I'm talking here about long-term investors. I'm not talking about short-term investors. Long-term investors, those days just accumulating, buy slowly. That's the only advice I can tell you. Everything is too clear here. Now let's going to see what the Bitcoin doing today in the 4 hours for swing trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in the 4 hours. Over here is only for swing trading. Yes, you are right, my friend. Over here, what else we said? We said that level here, it's very stronger level here. I tell it to you in 2 days now. Should you enter long? Till now there is nothing. We need a price action in lower time frames and the market to break. Yesterday we give you that wage. It's getting broke. Me, I haven't entered long because, as I tell it to you, Friday, Saturday and Sunday market always flat. That way me, I don't open any trade those days. And my advice is you do the same thing. Now what shall we do now here in the 4 hours? Let me show you those things what me I'm talking about. If you see in here, that level here, as you see it, in the top one here, that the level of 50 and that one here 61 of Fibonacci retracement. You bring the Fibonacci from down till the top here is going to give you the 50 and the 60 in that level here. And to know the take profit, you need to bring the Fibonacci from the top, from here to down here. And where is 1.61, that when is going to be the take profit, and the take profit is going to be very high. But should you enter long now? Because till now we don't got a high low. Till now as we stay in here in a very flat market. Me personally, I'm thinking the market is going to fall down till down here at that level here, as you see it, of 28k 500. That's my view personally, because me I enter a short from the top here, from the double top here when it's breaking the neckline. Yes, till now I am in nice profit now, but me, my view is going to fall down more than that because nothing yet at the oversold area. So me, I'm still waiting what the market is going to tell me. Until now we don't got any price action here. It's telling us the market is going to reverse, so us we still waiting what the market is going to tell us in coming days and coming hours. Today, Sunday, the market we know it is going to stay flat, but till tomorrow, then also we're going to make a decision based on that. I think picture is too clear, guys, here. Now let's go into see our indicator, what it's telling us today. So let's go in there. Our indicator, as you see it, in that level here, and that's what we have been talking about. I told you when we are here at that level here, there is no trading. You need to wait till the right time. So till now there is no trading now. It's need that one either to break up here or to break down here, because at this time there is no one controlling, no bulls, no bears. The bulls they control when we are up, the bears they control when we are down. So till now there is nothing down here. And here, may I tell it to you, we got that uptrend here, that one here. Our view personally is going to fall down to touch it here, and from here we're going to see if we are going to go up or no, or we are going to break it to go down to the oversold area. Because till now as we coming from the top and we haven't touched the oversold area. Let me show it to you for pictures to get more clear to you. As you see it, guys, as we coming from the top here from overbought area, until now we haven't touched the oversold area. Yes, that time here it touched it, then it went reverse, but but also we don't know all those things. We need to close below here at the oversold area, so we need to wait until the right time. And that the trend line me I'm talking about, look at it, how clear it is now here. It's need that one to be touched down here, then the market to give us a price action for us to enter long. Till now there is nothing, so also we need to wait and more. Now it's going to see our other indicator, what it's saying. That one here, same thing as you see it. We came here from overbought area, it gave us here the double top, also we enter a short. Till now we're still waiting the market to touch here the oversold area, and even here we got a trend line. If you connecting that one here and that one here, and you came and you do it like that, even that one, it's possible when we touch in here, maybe we're going to reverse, but till now there is nothing here. So also we still waiting what the market is going to tell us in coming days and coming hours. Till now there is nothing here, so also we still waiting. And me, I tell it to you, me personally, I'm thinking also we are going to fall down and to break down that level here. So also we still waiting, guys. Everything is too clear. Now let's go into 30 minutes to see what Bitcoin doing today in 30 minutes for scalping and day trading. So let's go in there. Here we are in 30 minutes. Over here is only for scalping and day trading. Here in 30 minutes, may I show you here, we got here a trend line like that, or a wage, or whatever names, doesn't matter. It's getting broke here. It went up till here. That's just for scalping. May I enter in it, but I haven't give it as a signal. It's just for scalping. Just few amount here. Should you enter long now? Me, I'm talking here about swing traders here or mid-term. That's the wage I gave you before. No, my friend, there is nothing yet. The only thing now, if you came to that one here and you do it like that, and you came to that one here and you do it like that, you got here a very, very, very clear flag like that as you see it. You see it or no? You got here a flag. That flag now, you need to be focused. If it's going to get broke up, you enter long. If it's getting broke down here, you will enter short. Take profit of us is going to be down here at that level here. Look with me how I'm going to draw it. Let me zoom it a little bit. Pictures get more clear to you. Look with me. We came to that low here, that one and that one. Then we're connecting them by a line like that. We came, we bring it from here like that. As you see it, we got a trend line. And here in the top, same thing, you do it like that. As you see it, you got a very clear up channel here. Then you came down to that peak here and you do it like that. As you see it, now you got a very, very, very clear flag here. That I want to show it to you before thousands of times. If it's getting broke up, you bring that line here and you do it up like that. If it's getting broke down, the same thing like that. So till now, we're still waiting what the market is going to tell us. It's our indicator, what it's saying, guys. Our indicator, as you see it, it's coming from overbought area. Should we enter short? Not yet, because the market over here, he tried to give you here a head and shoulder here. As you see it, let me show it to you for pictures get more clear to you. If you came here and we zoom in like that, as you see, and you came here to that one here, as you see it, and that one here, and that one here, and the neckline is going to be down here, as you see. You got here a very, very, very clear head and shoulder. If it's getting broke down here, you enter short because price action, you just got it now. If it's getting broke down here, you can enter short, guys. Remember my word. So I think picture is too clear. So that's it for that video, guys. See you in another video, and please make sure to support us by just smashing the like button, writing down a comment, and if you could even share the video. You done it? Thank you very, 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 very much, my friends. See you in another video, guys. Bye for now.